Hi, this is Nandini from Bigbang Kit. This is a sneak peek video of this month Class 10 box. Every kit has 4 experiments which is exclusively designed based on the school curriculum. Now let us take a look at the experiments provided in this box. The first experiment itself is a colorful experiment to understand the concepts of acids and bases, which is actually a boring lecture in class. Here you can see the blue colored liquid, which is basic, and the red ones to indicate that it is acidic. You have the green colored liquids here, which shows that it is neutral. This is a fun and engaging way to understand about acids and bases. The next experiment is Phantom Ghost. This talks about the reflection of light. You can find the same concept being used in submarine periscopes. Here we have a very interesting experiment. We all have fingerprints and we leave our fingerprints wherever we go. This is because of the sweat and oil glands present in our fingers. By using the chemicals provided in this kit, we can actually detect our own fingerprint, like how I've detected my fingerprint. Have you ever wondered how some streetlights get switched on and off automatically? The circuit that you built in this experiment will help you understand the science behind it. Likewise, we have built similar interesting experiment for classes 6 to 10. To make this kit your own, log on to bigbangkit.com.